Hello, thank you for tuning in to Bounty ICO News, our YouTube channel that focuses on very exciting ICO projects that are happening around the world. So today I'm going to talk about a very exciting project called Current. The project I'm going to discuss about the project details and some information about the ICO. This project is based on United States, and it's being launched by an already established media company called Current Media Network. Okay, so let's dig in and let's see what they have to offer for investors like us. So what is Current? Current is an incentivized blockchain enabled streaming ecosystem that lets you choose how to stream and pay for your media. Now, as you know, everyone has a smartphone these days, and everyone is streaming uh, you know their favorite content on their favorite network. It could be YouTube, it could be some other network like Spotify, an audiobook, some virtual reality stuff. But they are streaming it and they are not earning anything for their content, for the time, for their attention, for their data. So Current Media Network has come up with this project called Current, which is a platform and a protocol, and they are incentivizing uh, the whole system of the whole concept of media streaming. As users, for our time, for our attention, for our data, they are rewarding us with cryptocurrencies, their own cryptocurrency called CRNC, which is pronounced as currency. So this is very exciting, uh, very huge. There's a lot of potential for this project to expand and grow, because media, as I told you, is a very important thing. It has become very close to us, intertwined with our day-to-day life. So this is very exciting, guys. So this is basically what they are offering us. They are offering us the Current platform, which is basically a one-stop shop for all our media channels. Okay, so that means you can have radio, you can have video, audiobooks, YouTube, Spotify, all the other media streaming is is brought into one platform that is called Current. And thanks to Current's advanced APIs, we can access multiple networks on this Current platform. So that's very, very exciting. And the important thing is that they already have a prototype, they already have a working app which is subscribed by more than 200,000 users. However, it's only available for the iPhone. So if you go to App Store, you can download that, and it's only available for the iPhone, but not for the Android phone. But they are trying to come up with a solution for that. So on Google Play, uh, an app for the Android phone will be available quite soon. So this is very exciting. The project is launched by a well-established media company, as well as they have a prototype, a working prototype for the users. That's those two are huge factors when it comes to you know when it comes to like the increasing demand, the hype behind this project. So let's talk about the token CRNC, which is pronounced as currency. Is their token, is the token that is powering, that is fueling the Current platform. It's basically a media network token, it's a utility token, it's not a security. So we can use CRNC tokens to reward users, as I told you before, for streaming content on their favorite networks. That wasn't available earlier. Like, when we stream our favorite content on a network, no one's gonna reward us with like some sort of a currency. But Current is trying to achieve that. Okay, so basically their concept is that users, consumers, time, money spent, their attention, their data are all valuable and should be rewarded. The consumers, the users should be rewarded for those things, and that's what they are doing through the current ecosystem. So let's talk about the token and protocol dynamics. So basically each block is equal to 1 hour of consumption, that is basically mining by a consumer or a user. So for every 100 million blocks uh, mined, the block reward changes. Okay, now continuous consumption or continuous mining and illegitimate plays are detected by this protocol. So let's say that as I told you, for your streaming, for your time, the current media platform is paying us, rewarding us with CRNC token. But say that someone is going to cheat the system, someone is going to like stream continuously 24 hours, and then what's going to happen is that the protocol, the system is going to detect that, and then they are going to lower the reward rate that particular person is going to get. So you cannot basically cheat this system. Continuous consumption and illegitimate plays are all detected within the system and are flagged, and appropriate measures are taken in order to tackle those things. So they have the team members, the developers has well thought about those scenarios. So now, how can you earn tokens on this platform? So for example, consumers can sync a third-party profile, refer new users to the platform. They can, when they stream their content, they can keep advertisements active, then curating channels, and by creating quality content, all these things can contribute to earning tokens. You can use these methods to earn tokens on the current platform. Then when it comes to spending tokens, you can spend CRNC or currency tokens on premium services. Like if you like to watch ad-free content, then go into offline listings, then you can pay CRNC tokens for those premium services. As well as, let's say that you want to start an ad campaign, promote something, and then for that you can pay using your currency tokens. As well as, for example, buying tickets to watch a movie, like physical goods and services. For these things as well as, you can pay using currency tokens. So you can earn currency tokens on this platform. There are many methods to do that, as well as there are a lot of opportunities, avenues to spend your tokens. So on the currency platform, on this ecosystem, your CRNC tokens, the currency tokens, are just like fiat currency, just like US dollars. You can earn them, you can spend them. So now this table shows you some advantages of current platform compared to like YouTube, Spotify, TuneIn. So worldwide availability is something very crucial if you want to promote, if you want to expand a media network. So current is there, it's worldwide availability is there, free offline access is there, AM, FM and internet radio is available, audiobooks and podcasts are available. There's a very robust comprehensive video library, and there's a lot of things to come. This project is still in its formative stages. It's still striving to become, the best media network in the world, which is powered by the blockchain technology. So there's more to come, but you can see from this simple chart that it has more significant advantages compared to well-known YouTube and Spotify. So that's a very important thing, and I believe that's one reason that people are paying a lot of attention for the current platform and the current media network um, regarding this project. So let's talk about the token allocation. So the tokens are fixed. The total supply is 1 billion tokens. Basically 35% of those tokens will be going for the as mining rewards, 35% for the token sale, 17% for team and the advisors, then 10% goes for community growth and strategic partnerships, then 3% for the current foundation. It's like a long-term network governance, and basically like you can support like academic grants and partner support, things like that. So that's the basic idea behind like how they allocate their total token supply. And this shows you how the funds are going to be used, the funds gathered from their ICO, token sale and all that. So 40% goes into research and development, which is very important. They have a prototype, they are doing work on it, they are testing the scalability, the performance. So research and development is a very huge deal, so that's why they're spending 40% of the total funds gathered from the token sale. 30% goes for marketing and platform development, which is also very important. 25% for operation, business and corporate development, and 5% for legal and administrative stuff. So some important milestones regarding their roadmap. So I gathered this from their white paper. I encourage you to read the white paper. I have given a link to their main official website. You can get the one pager, the office deck, as well as the white paper from their official website. So some important milestones: second quarter 2018, they are going to update their version 1.3. They are going to check their performance and scalability. The CRNC wallet generation, that's going to happen in the second quarter of 2018. The third quarter of 2018, the Android platform will be launched, which is going to be a huge thing because not everyone will have access to an iPhone, but most people have an Android phone, so that's going to be a big thing. Then fourth quarter 2018, they're expanding into other operating systems and launching the iPad version and the smart TV version of this current platform, and that's gonna like kind of mass adopt. It's gonna enable streamline mass adoption of current media platform through at a global scale. So that's very exciting. And then the first quarter of 2019, decentralized content distribution will be activated, and the last quarter of 2019, current ad platform will be launched, and then everything will be going, everything will be up and running, and then we'll really see the demand, the importance, the performance of this great media platform, current platform. So these are the team members, the core team members behind this project. Actually, these are the members behind the current media network. Dan Noves is the co-founder and the chief executive officer. Nick is also a co-founder and the chief performance officer. Kiran is also a co-founder and the chief technical officer. So they know what they are doing. They are experts in these blockchain technologies and startups. So they know what they're doing, and they're very young, they're excited, and also they have a very good, a panel of advisors behind them. And as everyone knows, Mark Cuban, the owner of Dallas Mavericks, a billionaire, he's behind this project. He has his own, media network. So he knows what he's getting into, and that's a big thing uh, for, uh, for current media network or the current platform to get publicized, to become hyped. And then there are people from Banco Foundation. Banco is a protocol where you can exchange cryptocurrencies without a buyer and a seller. Usually in an exchange you need to have a buyer and a seller, but using Banco you can simply send your CRNC tokens and convert it through a smart contract to a different cryptocurrency token. So that's very important. The network with current media platform, current media network, and Banco Foundation is very exciting. Then Eric is the founder of BitQuick Exchange. Dave is from Augur. Danny Johnson is from Pincoin. So there are so many individuals, like great people who are advising this project from different spectrum in cryptocurrency world. So that's very important. The team is backed by some very stellar advisors. That's really exciting. So with that, I conclude my brief presentation about current media platform, the ICO, the token distribution. If you like to get more information, please go to their official channel to get real time information. You can subscribe to their Telegram channel, which has more than 34,000 people, and their Facebook is also a very good place to get the newest updates on what's happening with their ICO, what's happening with the project, what's happening with the app development and things like that. So with that, I conclude my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for joining Bounty ICO News. I'll meet you guys with another exciting project the next time I meet you. Thank you, and bye bye.